Hey guys, welcome to another video here at Geeksla. In this video, we will have a look at the best budget earphones under 1000 bucks. This video is our unboxing and review of Sennheiser CX 180. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The packing of the earphones are pretty good and feels a little premium. On unboxing, you get the earphones along with different sizes of ear tips and some guide. On getting your hands on the earphones, you come to know about the build quality. The build is good but not great. The material used is plastic and rubber on the earphones. They are polished for the premium feel. But the thin wire really don't justify the brand of the earphones and feel like the earphones will snap quickly. The wires of the earphones are not flat, so no tangle-free cables. It might be a task to untangle these earphones, so it's better to get a earphone case. The link for the best earphone case will be in the description below. As mentioned, these earphones are very fragile, so rough wear and tear is not advised and rather use it more carefully. The earphones have a metal grill and looks pretty awesome and are very classy. The Sennheiser CX 180 has some of the best sound quality in an earphone under 1000 bucks. The vocals are clear and the mids are good too. The earphones are not too bass heavy, but at full volume it gets really loud and the vocals do get a little distorted. But comparing to the sound quality of other earphones in this price range, it is one of the best earphones that you can get right now. The Sennheiser CX 180 has the best noise cancellation in an earphone. The earphones wear out ambient noise and helps to focus more on the music. So what's the price? We bought the earphones for 800 bucks. While creating the video, the earphones were available at a cheaper cost of 600 bucks. So at the price of 600, I don't really think there is any competitor for these earphones. To justify the earphone sound quality, we asked some of our friends to use the earphones and experience the sound in full volume. And here's their reaction. Well, you can say from the reaction of the users how loud the earphones get in full volume. So you may ask, is there any alternative to the Sennheiser earphone in a 1000 rupees price range? Yes, there is a JBL alternative. It is the JBL C100SI. This earphone comes in the same price range. But these are more suitable for the bass lovers, since these earphones are bass heavy. Link to both the earphones in the description below. So what's our conclusion? So if you are not into bass heavy music and if you are more into vocals and mids, then this is one of the best earphones that you can buy under 1000 rupees. So that's it guys with this video on Sennheiser CX 180 earphones. If you guys like this video and think the review was helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to see more awesome content in the future. See you guys in the next video. Till then, see you.